Hey guys, this is Jen and today we are going to do spring cleaning in the kitchen. I know cleaning is not my favorite thing to do, but it's been so messy and it really needs some cleaning. So I'm gonna show you what my routine cleanings are, and I'll show you what products I use for cleaning the kitchen, and I'm also gonna be styling it a little bit. So stick around and I will show you how. Let's go.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine.
So my daughter is addicted to Dollar Tree. Every time I take her to Dollar Tree, she always buys random things. And so she got this one and she puts chips in it, but it doesn't even shut right. So it's not gonna stay fresh or crunchy. So I don't know what to do, but random things that it just clutter my kitchen. So it's gonna go in her room. So that's my treat. I usually just drink a regular cup of coffee, but today I feel like having a treat since I had a lot of cleaning to do. So it's a cup of coffee.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't.
Okay guys, so kitchen is finally clean. I did the cleaning, put away dishes, and here comes the fun part. And my most favorite part is styling or decorating. And so we are going to do just that. And I won't really do a lot of decorating. I already did some of it. And I do change this right here the decor, but right now it looks good. It looks springy to me, and so I'm just gonna change the rug and add flowers, and then I'm sure by summertime I'm going to do decorating again, change it up a little bit.
So I'm going to show you around. Here's our lilac bush that's blooming right now. I do have peonies also, but they're not blooming yet. And so today I'm just going to take some lilac flowers inside, put it in the water so I could put it in our kitchen.
These kind of weed, but I do like the white stuff.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
So here it is, guys. I call it eyeball flower arrangement because I just gonna look at it and see, all right, that looks good enough. I added a little bit of these weed thingies. I know, but it's so cute, and it reminds me of baby's breath a little bit. So I added that there too, and I think it looks good. And I'm definitely not a pro in this. I'm a noob. I don't really know. I kind of like look at it and it looks good. It looks good enough. So, and here it is. I'm gonna clean up my mess here and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so I get a new rug, kitchen rug. I went to Ross and I love this one. And look how much it cost. $6, $5.99. And I have another one of these, and I've been using it so much because I love it. It's comfy, it's soft, it's easy to clean. I just put it in the washer and then just hang it to dry, and then here it is. I love the colors. It reminds me of spring, summer, a little bit of that boho global look. And so I'm gonna replace my old one to this one.
So here's the finished look. I already cleaned everything, put away dishes, cleaned dishes, and I also added flowers, fresh flowers, and also the area rug. So I'm so happy when the kitchen is finally clean. I love when I can just like think right because everything is in place and decluttered. And so here it is. We actually did the kitchen about 3 years ago, and this is by far the best renovation that we've did in this house because I'm always in the kitchen and I love it so much. It's now more open, more spacious. There used to be a wall between the kitchen and our dining, and now it's gone. So there's so much light coming in, and I just love it.
Hey guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you have any questions, just send me a comment below. And thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you later. Bye.